All right, hi friends. So it's a snow day. How much fun is that? We're gonna show you, Miss Lay and I, how to make a sled out of a birdseed bag, a chicken feed bag, or if you have a dog food bag or a cat food bag, those would work as well. All right, these have been emptied. The top is cut off. We are gonna cut a piece of cardboard to fit inside the bag down about 3 or 4 inches. Okay, all right?
So you're also going to probably want a marker, duct tape, which we have, and a cutting utensil. So make sure though that you have permission or help using your cutting utensil because they
From
can
an
be
adult.
very sharp.
Yes.
So we're just going to make a mark on here so we know, and then right here. Okay.
Now these bags are really sturdy. They're not going to tear. What the cardboard will do is it's going to give you a solid base for you to actually sit on and give some body to the bag as you're sledding. You can use an Amazon box or appliance box. You could even use a smaller box and just open the whole thing up so it fits right inside.
You just know that in my STEAM lab, we always have a ton of boxes. Okay.
All right. So I'm going to use the birdseed bag, and I'm going to take my cardboard and fit it right inside. Oh, that's perfect, Miss Lay. Awesome. All right. And we're going to tape the end up with the duct tape so that the cardboard doesn't get wet.
So I'm going to put it on one side, and I'm going to fold it over. Nope. And I'm going to do this.
Excellent.
We don't want any snow to get in there because that'll make your cardboard soggy and wet. Okay, we'll do a little bit more on this end.
All right.
And a little bit more on this end.
Excellent. Did we want to put another one down on this side
Yeah,
like we had
yeah,
there?
yeah.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be perfect, just to seal it up enough.
All right, so that's what we have right now. So now what we need to do is, because any sled needs a handle so that you can pull it or pull it up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut a hole on this side and then another hole on this side, and then we're gonna create our handles with the duct tape.
Maybe.
Maybe use the X-Acto knife as well.
Could I put it away? Alright. But again, make sure you have an adult helping you with the X-Acto knife because it is very sharp and can cut you.
And we want to do it underneath the duct tape that we have already put in place.
Alright, there's one hole.
Do another one here.
And you don't want them to be too big, okay?
All right. So maybe we duct tape this down.
Yep, so I'm gonna
Okay.
pull that.
Mm-hmm. Now duct tape sticks to itself extremely well, so you've got to kind of be, takes a little skill to get it together.
Start at one side and slowly kind of just run your hand down it and you will have a nice little handle to go through. So let's tape this. Actually, let's just tape it all down.
All right. Go. I think we put another one on this side.
You want to go up underneath too, really secure it on there. And I'm going to actually put a little bit more on.
Perfect. All right. And then we've got it. Is this going to go around this side? Okay, so we're going to put this one through on this side. And tape it down.
And if it gets all whatever, just diss it out. All right, so I'm gonna pull it through. Want to pull that through, Tony, real quick, so I can go up underneath, and then we're gonna seal up the hole.
All right, there we go.
There we go. All right, flip it over and let's seal up that hole.
So we're going to seal up the hole on the other side so again, snow doesn't get in and get that cardboard soggy.
And it probably will at some point, but that's why we have a makeshift shed sled. All right, you want to get on?
I will get on. All right, here we go.
Woo! And there you
Here's
have
our sled. If we had snow on this December 20th, we would have shown you how to slide down the hill. Have fun, happy snow day, and we'll see you in school.
Feel free to send a video. We'd love to see it.